In this video, let's talk about the string in Python. First of all, to write the Python code, just type the Python, and then we can write here the Python code over here. So just type the Python. And to understand about the string in Python, let's create one variable name and name equal to. So if I type here, I can give the any name here. And if I write here because, B-I-K-S-S, and inside this quotation, everything is string. So I'm putting here this single quotation, and also I can put the double quotation as well. So if I type here name and if I press enter, I got because here. It means that this because is my string. In same way, if I use the double quotation, then also I will get the same output, because in Python we can use single quote or double quote, so it doesn't matter, right? And another thing is, in Python you have to understand one thing: there isn't concept of character. It means in other programming language, if we have to make character, then we have to use the char and then the variable name and equal to, and then we have to use the single quotation, and we can give the one alphabet inside the quotation. But in Python there is a concept of character. So if I want to make the character, then the character is the one length of string, right? The length has one length. It means that the string has one length, so B, or if I want to put C or whatever alphabet inside the string. And in character as well, we can put the double quotation or a single quotation. It means that there is a concept of character, so it is simply the string, right, with one length, right? So this is the concept of string in Python. So if I want to access the the different position of the string, then how can I access it? So this is name is the string name, okay, variable name, right? If I want to access the 0th position value, then I can just write here name and 0, and I can get here B, right? If I want to get the position of 3 element, third position alphabet, then 0 1 2 3, right? So the counting start from the 0, so I got here A. Likewise, if I want name, and then from the starting at 0, right, starting at 0 and up to third position, and if I press enter, I got BIK. So likewise, if I want to get 0 starting from the 0th, and if I need up to 5 position, then I got because. What if I need the starting from the 0 and if I need up to 10, if I press enter, I got this because same as 0 to 5, because it doesn't show any error. It will display all the values up to 10. So if it doesn't find any value, then also it will display the default value. So this is the case. So likewise, if I want the negative, if I want the value from the right side, then if I use name and -1 and if I press enter, I got the yes, this is the last position value, right? So in this way we can access the value. So this is the very simple. And let's see here the concept of concatenation. So if I want to concatenate the value, then I can just type here the variable name is name plus, and then plus is used to concat the two string. And if I give here car key, this is my another string, and if I press enter, I got because and then the car key, right? If I need a space over here, then I can give this space, and if I press enter, I got because and then the car key. So this is the concept of string in the Python. So likewise, we can find out the length of the string. To find out the length of the string, simple, we can use the len function, and inside the function we have to give the variable name. If I press enter, I got 6. And if I want to display the as it is value inside the string, inside the quotation, then I can type anything inside the string, and I can give the triple quotation. We can use the single or double quotation, and I got the output as it is output inside the quotation. And also we can find out the string is available, the O is available in the string or not. So how can you do that? So just print, and then inside the print, if I want to check bi is bi in, and variable name is name, right, name, name, and if I press enter, I got true here. Likewise, bi, if I type here the random value, random text, and if I press enter, this is false because dfd is not present in the name variable, but bi is present in the name variable. So in this way we can use the string in Python. So we have discussed about the how we can access the string in Python, and also the length function, and also the multi-line string, right? This is the multi-line string concept. So also we can check if there is a word is not available or not available in our string. We can just check it. If you have any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.